Good morning. What's happening? I'll tell you what's happening. Coffee's happening. That's really good. If you ever want to know what coffee I drink, I actually drink Allegro Mocha Java. It's delightful. So I just put this on my brows. I've been using Grande Brow. I'm sure most of y'all have heard of Grande Lash, but Grande Brow works and I can get away with just this. That's fine. There's a little bit of sparseness still. I don't mind it, especially just for hopping over to the airport. Still absolutely loving this. I think I used this on my brow tutorial on my saved highlights. So that's there. There's definitely a tutorial on TikTok, and that's about a month ago. So check that out. So on my brows really quickly, and what we're doing, let me tell you what we're doing. I am about to head to the airport in about an hour, and I thought that we could pack the makeup, and I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do a tutorial while I'm there, because we'll get off and we'll get right into meetings and then go to an event this evening. But I want to try my best. Either way, you're going to have this content and you're going to see my absolute favorites that I take with me. So think of this as like my must-haves and what I know looks good when I'm face-to-face looking at people. Like that. The cup is from Danone. I hope I'm saying that right. The World of the Cat. Yeah, Danone. And this is fine bone china made in England. So it's actually china, and it should be in a case, not all willy-nilly all around the house with me. So remember, think of this as my all-time faves. Think of this as the best of the best currently. I mean, there's always something being made that we need to try. But this is the best of the best, including this cup. So I am going to take this milk concealer. Okay, because we're doing testing. But I want you to know that my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer is the one I'm going in case this backfires and goes straight to makeup chaos. So this one is my ride or die currently. It's wonderful. I love everything about it. This right here is always with me. I have a little travel bottle of this. It always goes with me. I have to have it. Chaos. I'm telling you, makeup chaos can creep up on you. And I use the one with the pink cap because this one will completely dry down. You can layer makeup right on top. If I have an accident, I can just take it, get that little piece here, on here, wherever it may be. And then I can just go right back over. It does not mess with the formula whatsoever because it completely dries. Love it. So now that I've had a chance to really play around with these, I kind of cannot stop using them. And I'm trying to find new ways to use them every day because I know they're very spicy priced, but you can do so many different things with them. So today I'm just going to put this on. We'll just do an angle brush here from Anissa Beauty, just that much. And I'm gonna focus this mainly underneath my eyes. I mean, look at how that just brightens instantly. And I have another trick with this that's gonna blow your mind. I'm gonna film that when I get back tomorrow. I get back tomorrow, by the way, so this isn't a big, I'll be gone forever trip. And just look at how pretty that is. I'm telling y'all, these are so spectacular, and I'm just gonna wear this one alone. And it'll just even out and add some glow. I'm gonna put a little extra underneath my eye and work it in. There we go, just a smidgy. Look at how that just brightened up my under eye. Now, obviously, I'm not trying to say I've got dark under eyes, but it definitely just brightened and evened, and it looks so pretty, and it feels wonderful. I love these. I'm excited again to show y'all some more ways that I use them. In fact, let me show you another way. I'm gonna put on this one. I feel like I use this one and this one the most, definitely. But I'll show you other uses for the other one. But Sunny Flash, love. I'm gonna use this much, and then I'm just gonna place it with my finger, and we'll just bronze up the face, just the outer perimeter. But it's just the most beautiful bronze. So simple and so easy. And it feels like nothing because it is basically skincare. And we like that. Now let's go ahead and blend this in. And this is all I'm gonna wear today, just this and some lip balm. Look, these little frowlers are just frowling today. That's what I call my little baby hairs. Ben and I call them frowlers. Don't ask, I don't know. So pretty. Blended my one little lone dot. And then I'll just take what's left and just bronze my nose. Now, if I was going to be where I'm going to be longer than a day, I would definitely take these two, but I'm not. So I'm gonna leave them here. So after yesterday's tutorial, I'm gonna take my Givenchy powder. I forgot how much I loved it. I'm always testing new things for y'all because I know that this is a very spicy price, but I keep going back. I keep going back. This is the eyeshadow palette that goes with me. Absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna wear this color tonight. I'm gonna be spicy with this in the crease, a little bit of that inner corner. Boo! Boo! I love this palette, and look at how thin it is. It's just so great for traveling. I love it. And this formula, it's a tiny palette, but it's a mighty formula. It's so good. Again, spicy price, but it never lets me down until I can't open it. Plus, I have been using this forever and I'm still not hitting pan because it's so pigmented. And when I was at my most fair, I could wear this color. And now that I'm a lot more tan, I could still wear this color. So it's very pricey, but y'all, it has been with me. It just keeps going. It hasn't given up. It hasn't let me down. Now for blush tonight, again, this is the same brand as the Artist Couture, amazing. But I want something really transition-y to my bronzer. I want it to be basically my bronzer, but just a little bit more red. So this color looks perfect. How pretty is this palette? There's other blushes in this packaging. Look at that thin packaging. These are just amazing and they feel so good. I love these. For foundation, I'm going to take Estee Lauder Double Wear. This match right now is just too good. It's just too good. And for me, what I try to do is, I love my House Labs, but my face is extremely pale right now compared to my body. I've been doing my retinol. My skincare routines are on my saved highlights, just to hop over there for my retinols and all that good stuff. But the contrast between this and this is just a little too difficult right now. It's getting a little bit more difficult. And by that, just these harder to reach areas around my brows. I just don't want to work as hard to make sure it's everywhere. So I'm just going to do Double Wear because this match right now, it's real good. Again, I do want you to know that the House Labs does match me, but it takes longer for me to go and just make sure that everything is absolutely covered. This is perfect. It matches my body perfectly. My face is just real pale. I'm sure y'all know Clean Canvas. That's going. Of course it is. And if you didn't know, I have a discount code just for this. It's code SPICY. Of course. I'm sure most of you knew. Liner Duo. I have been using this, I don't even know how long, over a year. And I do have 3 of them over here, but they're the same 3 that I have had the entire time. I don't think that they end, honestly. They just keep going. So I'm going to take these lashes that I had. I'm going to show you that. But I'm going to take these lashes that I had on yesterday. I'm going to go find a little box to put them in. They're Tati Lashes, Half Lash in Artiste. So whenever I travel, I take one spicy thing just in case I'm feeling spicy. And I'm going to take this. Remember the gold one that we used yesterday from Stila? We love that. I'm going to take the blue one. I might put this on my waterline. I might not, but I absolutely love these. They're so bright on the waterline. They're so easy to use. They're so long lasting. I love these and I feel like more people need to be talking about these. I feel like Stila was kind of like quiet for a second and now we need to squawk about them. I think this is going to be my vibe tonight. I cannot get over these lipsticks. I've tried all of the ones that are bullet form, but transfer proof. This one's the best. This one is wild. I did a wear test and I need to post it. I did do an ad for them, which is really cool. NARS is one of my favorite brands. Me doing ads, crazy. But the wear test I'm going to do is not an ad. You're just going to see it. And it's incredible. So I'm really excited to show y'all that. Plus, this color is just so fall and so stunning. I might take another one just in case because sometimes the eye color shifts and it's not exactly what I expected. So then I have to roll with it. But I'm going to take one more, and I don't know which one I'm going to take. I just don't know. But this one right here is Thunder Kiss. Okay, I'm going to try to at least film a video of everything that I used. That might be fun. Because I will say the stories take me a lot longer than just filming because I have to go in and press caption. I have to label everything all right there. So what if I just post a video of everything that I used and then I'll save this highlight because I don't want to have to label it for timing reasons. But I'll save this highlight, and then you can watch this highlight to see what I used. But I'll put that in the video. Okay, that's going to make sense. I'm going to try my best. I'm hoping that it's sunshine there because I can't take a light because I don't have enough room. But if it's sunshine, I'm going to film that video, and then it'll be really fun. I love y'all so much. Thank you for putting up with this. I know that sometimes I have to do these little bit different videos, but I still try to keep it spicy for y'all. I love y'all with all of my heart, and I gotta go get on a plane. I got 15 minutes before I need to leave. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all, no matter what, I will post this evening, and I'll see you there.